Anong kabubuhan? Let's go! Let's go!
Team, unsa mo? Unsa mga team?
Signal. Super Spiders.
Ha?
Super Spiders na.
Unsa na tarong nga na?
Ay, di ako dito. Ay, sante.
Now they put in Kylie Grito and Michelle Gumabaw, Coach Sherwin looking for a different play.
Signal.
4. They're down by 5.
On taking that one.
Sige. Oh! Ano? Kita mo yun?
End zone becomes an additional option. Dalawa lang yung attackers na nasa harapan.
Ala!
Basa-ba.
Let's go! Nice, celebrating na sila.
That was so
Tao,
beneficial to them. That they get those extra
Go, kaya.
on the bench.
They were able to create
Dapat ang ulo.
Running attack did not work there.
Uy! Nice save. Ikaw, Eric. Paolo?
Some straight points.
Ayun,
for
pagtagin.
the green line. And Coach Shaq is thinking about calling a timeout, and yes, he will. I think he wants to prevent this as early as possible.
Ayusin! Alam mo? Time out! Pauway! Kapoy yung cheer. Bugo kay... Kasi sila magpa... Pwede na, diba? Let's go! Let's go!
Sa taas yung hangkuan, yung team. Dire.
Let's go!
Wala, oy.
Take!
Bati kayo. Ang signal na, pilde na. Signal, pilde. Ninghaw kay buang o ganun. Pilde ang signal. Panghugas na magplato kay na pilde na signal.